Hello guys, welcome again to our video tutorials. So topic today is all about reactive systems, and here is our sample problem. 1 kilomole of ethane is burned with an unknown amount of air during a combustion process. An analysis of the combustion products reveals that the combustion is incomplete, and there are 3 kilomole of free oxygen in the products. Determine the air-fuel ratio. So, putting all the properties, the molar mass of carbon is equal to 12.011 kg per mole, and the molar mass of hydrogen is equal to 2.016 kg per mole, and for air, 28.97 kg per mole. So, putting up our chemical equation, C2H6 plus A, and the quantity of A plus 3.76 nitrogen, and 2CO plus 3H2O plus 3O2 plus 3.76A nitrogen. So, in order to balance the equation above, we need to add 2 plus 1.5 plus 3 in order to balance the oxygen, because as you can see, the oxygen is the only chemical substance that is not balanced. Note that A is our oxygen. So after we balance that, we will come up with this equation: C2H6 plus 6.5 times the quantity of 0.2 plus 3.76 N2 and 2CO plus 3H2O plus 3O2 plus 24.44 nitrogen. So calculating for the air fuel ratio, we will use the formula mass of air over mass of fuel. So putting up all the values, 6.5 times 4.76 kilomole times 28.97 kilogram per kilomole all over 2 kilomole times 12.011 kilogram per kilomole plus 3 kilomole times 2.016 kilogram per kilomole. So we have our final answer here: 29.8 kilogram of air per kilogram of fuel.